C.R. Kesavan of the Congress taking on Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP, Taslim Ahmad Rahmani of the All India Majlis-e-Mushawarat. Thank you very much. Waris Pathan of the AIMIM and Rakesh Sinha of the RSS. First question, is he talking? Okay, Rakesh Sinha, let's start with you. Is he talking about Muslim quota, Muslim reservation? When he speaks of affirmative action, is he talking about Muslim quota, Muslim reservation?
Arnab, there are two things. UPA government implemented structure committee's recommendations which have many affirmative actions. The BJP government has not withdrawn any action implemented by the UPA government. So where is the question of more affirmative action? If you are going for more affirmative action, that is the reservation on the basis of religion. And what is very important, I have all respect to the constitutional authority, and the Vice President is a very learned man, intellectual. Even if he would not have been the Vice President, I would have a great respect for him. But my objections, there are two objections. He addressed the platform. He is free to go any platform. But the platform he addressed is not a secular platform.
Yes.
It advocated the communal politics, and secondly, it always stood for the social conservatism.
What is Pathan of the All India MIM?
All the organizations, most of the organizations.
No, what is Pathan? 2 points.
Let me complete. Let me complete.
Okay, no response coming. We'll keep it quick. We'll keep it quick. Rakesh Sinha, I'd like to hand it over to Taslim Ahmad Rahmani of the All India Majlis-e-Mushawarat, which actually organized that event. Hamid Ansari spoke about affirmative action. What's the need for affirmative action? The constitution is silent on affirmative action based on religion. There is no concept of affirmative action based on religion. No. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani.
May I say?
No, I'll come to you. Let Rahmani Sahab respond.
Constitution is not silent on the affirmative action at all.
No, based on religion.
Says that the affirmative
based
action
on religion
should be taken for all, and if some community is lagging behind, not on the basis of religion, and Hamid Ansari Sahib also did not say that it should be based on the religion. He quoted the structure committee report, and he advised and he suggested that there should be
for whom was he talking about?
Commission. Where is religion about? And I tell you where religion lies. If the RSS can invite the ministers, including Prime Minister, in its office, and then take the report.
Don't divert the debate. Don't divert the debate.
Then there is no objection.
You don't divert. Kindly don't divert. My basic question. My basic question is. Let me raise the basic question. I am raising. Kindly answer my question.
For 3 days.
Kindly answer my question.
That is actually religious. That is actually religious.
Hamid Ansari was the. Let me complete. Hamid Ansari was part of Muslim India, one journal published by Sayyid Sahabuddin. Everybody, Arnav, you are a very old journalist. You know that what was the publication Muslim India? That was a DVG publication.
As the Vice President of the country.
And he was the member. He was the editorial member. Their journal always advocated for
I see no reason.
Quota based on religion.
I see no reason why
this platform.
I see no reason. Let anyone convince me tonight. I know. One second. First of all, pointer.
Vice President has all the right to
Dr. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani. Dr. Rahmani, two things I want to tell you. Constitution is silent on affirmative action based on religion. It only speaks of socially and educationally backward classes of citizens or for the scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. Non-Hindu OBCs enjoy benefit of reservations within 27% limit set by the Mandal Commission. 1 minute. Muslims already avail of quotas within the OBC category. But on the condition of economic and social backwardness, not religion. Why are you bringing religion? No, ये धर्म के नाम पर. ये धर्म के नाम पर ये राजनीति क्यों हो रही है? आप मुझे बताइए. आप लोग कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कह रहा, अंसारी जी कर रहे हैं. Mr.
The Vice President has said what
yes, go ahead.
Is the measured speech. First of all, let me make it very clear.
Report has already disclosed.
Just a minute, Mr. Rahmani, let Waris Pathan come in. Then Sudhanshu Trivedi can take him out. Waris Pathan.
And he did not ask any affirmative action on the basis of religion.
See, Arnab, the Vice President's speech was a very measured speech. He never, today Hindu reported that his office has stated that he never asked for reservation, but he said that a socio-economic backwardness in the Muslim
he speaks of affirmative action.
You say affirmative action.
Does he speak of affirmative action?
Affirmative action is to be there because there is empirical data to it. empirical data.
What affirmative action means? What quota? No, one second. You're saying quota. You're saying quota. You mean quota?
We are for reservation.
Do you mean quota?
We are
Sir, do you mean quota?
Not on the basis of religion.
Do you mean quota for Muslims? Do you mean quota? Sir, do you mean quota?
Of religion. We are asking reservation on the basis of the committee's report, which says that
Sir, do you mean
backwardness?
Do you mean quota?
I will tell you, Arnab, empirical data is that there are 17 crore Muslims in the country. Out of that, 10 crore youth. 14% of unemployment youth is there in the urban civilization. 3% Muslim are graduates, and highest dropout among Muslims and Dalits in our country now. Arnab, this is empirical data.
I will also give you. I will also give you an empirical data. I will share one. I will share one bit of empirical data. Varish Pathan. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi will respond to you.
There is an economically and socio-backward.
Varish Pathan, keep it short. Keep your argument short. Keep your argument short, and Sudhanshu Trivedi will respond.
Sir, when the Bombay High Court has given reservation, why did the state government not implement it? Why did they remove the reservation?
Can you please, Mr. Pathan, will you stop please for a minute?
No, why did they?
Aap zara ruk jaiye 2 minutes, please. Dhimi gati se, 1 second, please. I will come to you, Mr. Kesavan, but before that, I want to point out empirical fact is that Article 51 of the Constitution of India says state will not discriminate against any citizen on the ground of religion.
Article 16(2). Article 29 and 30.
Article 1, Mr. Pathan.
Everybody should be showed equal before the law.
Mr. Pathan.
What about Article 29 and 30? I am asking
Mr. Pathan, will you listen to me? Mr. Pathan, zara ruk jaiye 2 minutes, please. 1 second. Sudhanshu Trivedi, if we want to bring in this debate on reservation, if you want to start up this whole question of religious quotas right now, you would be violating Article 16(2) of the Constitution of India, which says no citizen can, on grounds of religion, be ineligible, discriminated in respect of employment of any office under the state.
We are not asking reservation on religion basis.
You want
is where you are wrong.
This is the problem.
We are asking reservation on the basis of social and education backwardness of the Muslims.
Mr. Pathan,
we are asking reservation on that basis.
Mr. Pathan, I always say this. 1990, politicians divided this country on the basis of caste. 1992, politicians divided this country on the basis of religion. Now you can't bring the whole business of caste and religious quotas all over again to suit your political argument.
The Muslims are having a sigh of relief that the Vice President made a statement after 69 years that the Muslims are not responsible for partition. Let me make a big statement here in your channel that today you are very much feeling a sigh of relief that we were not responsible for the partition.
This is all.
We were not responsible for the partition.
Nobody has said Muslims are. Nobody has said Muslims are responsible for the partition.
All the Muslims in the country.
Nobody is saying Muslims are responsible for partition. Muhammad Ali Jinnah does not represent some Muslims, so don't bring that argument.
Why
it's a ridiculous argument.
Was the president of the country
Nobody has blamed
Hindu
Muslims
court bill should be there.
Nobody has blamed
Muslims bill was there for Rajendra Prasad.
Mr. Pathan, you are making your own comments and responding to them.
K.R. Narayanan was the vice president. Please stop for a minute. For upliftment of the Dalits.
Sudhanshu Trivedi को बोलने दें. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please. Varish Pathan ji, रुक जाइए, please.
Mr. Varish Pathan, you have spoken a lot. Now I want to speak.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
As far as the statement of Vice President is concerned, in my opinion, those who are sitting on the highest seats of constitutional authority, whatever they have said should be left to their wisdom. Whatever they are saying in whatever capacity, in whatever platform or whatever it is. But I would like to ask our political opponent who have jumped overboard to try to score the points and try to interpret this, the elements of speech in their own way. Mr. Varish Pathan was giving empirical data. For that I am asking, if the Sachar Committee recommendation and the Rangnath Mishra Committee recommendation is true, that visibly shows the plight of Muslims. Who is responsible for this? The 7 years rule of BJP or the 61-year rule of the so-called secular parties?
But you should let him speak. Let him speak.
And the second thing, I want to give another empirical data. In the 2012 and 13, during the UPA government, the minority ministry's budget has been cut down by 30%, from 3,125 crores to 2,200 crores, because they were unable to extend, they were unable to spend total amount of budget. They were able to spend only 70% of the budget.
In fact,
बोलने दे Varish Pathan ji, please.
Corrective actions are to be
Varish
taken.
Pathan ji, रुक जाइए.
And Mr. Varish Pathan, you are asking about the reservation for the Muslims.
Very first budget.
I would like to
Waris
ask you
Pathan and Sudhanshu
why you are asking about the reservation.
Mr. Sudhanshu,
Mr. Waris Pathan, आप जवाब दें कि रिजर्वेशन आपको किस बात से चाहिए?
Listen to him then respond. One second. Listen to him then respond. Listen to him and then respond.
इसका मतलब आप अपने को उस व्यवस्था के साथ जोड़े रखना चाहते हैं. You want to make yourself part and parcel of the caste system of India. Because of which, by virtue of which,
we are not asking it on the basis of religion. We are asking reservation on the basis of committee's report.
Whether your religion acknowledges caste or not.
80%
if
of
your
the
religion
Muslims
doesn't
are
acknowledge
below
caste,
poverty
how
line.
can you ask for reservation on the basis of caste?
Below poverty
this is my
line,
question.
socio
I want
and
an answer
education
from
backwardness.
you. Clearly,
See,
yes
you have
or
taken
no.
us wrong. We are asking
This
reservation
that
on the
on one
socio
instant you are saying
and
this is your
education
religious
backwardness.
right, and you
Today you see
cannot
the
have a
empirical
common
data.
One
On the other hand, you
know,
can have
on the basis
that
of
you
caste,
should
we are
have
not
a
asking.
caste-based reservation.
See, Mr. Sudhanshu,
This is
the
a
Bombay
clear
High
fact.
Court.
सुन ले सुधांशु त्रिवेदी सुन ले सुधांशु
You
त्रिवेदी
answer the nation for this.
Yes, I have got the answer for you. The Bombay High Court has said that the Muslims should be given reservation in education. Why did your government not give the ordinance? Why did the reservations were removed? When the Bombay High Court says so,
अरे जवाब
you remove
दीजिए ना।
reservation.
आवाज सुनिए एक मिनट अब रुक जाइए वारिस पठान जी अब रुक जाइए 2 मिनट
आपका धर्म जाति मानता ही नहीं है.
What did you say? I did not
He is saying आपका धर्म जाति मानता ही नहीं है. Why do you want to bring this?
I am a Muslim and proud to be an Indian Muslim. Mr. Sudhanshu, but I am a proud Muslim because I am the person who has rejected the two-nation theory of Jinnah, and today I am proud to be here and sitting in front of you and talking with you.
No, 1 second. My question is,
I am a proud Indian Muslim
my question
who is sitting here. Waris Pathan is today sitting with you and debating you because I have rejected the two-nation theory of Jinnah, and today I am proud that I am here. And I am responding to your answer. And today the Vice President has said that the Muslims were not responsible for the partition. This is a big sigh of relief.
मैं सवाल 1 second.
All the Muslims in the country.
अभी रुक जाए 2 मिनट.
I am just asking the fundamental question for you.
You are not asking. You are not asking also to Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution.
आप सुनिए, Waris Pathan जी,
before law.
A question which I am asking everyone on the news this evening.
Why you are not giving equality before law?
Waris Pathan ji, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, please stop. My question is this. Tomorrow, Mr. Kesavan, 1 minute, I'm coming to you. I will give you full time, but just one point I want to make, and I'm making this point with sincerity to all viewers. Today, the Patels are asking, we want reservations. What is the consequence of giving in to that? If Muslims say tomorrow we want reservations, then Christians will want reservations tomorrow. Sikhs will want reservations. 1 minute. No, sir, let me speak. Buddhists will want reservations. At a time when there is an increasing sentiment to move away from caste-based reservations to Mr. Sir, एक सुनिए, आपके political ideology के लिए convenient हो सकता है कि धर्म के नाम पे राजनीति करें, मगर वो भारत की जनता मानेगी नहीं. C.R. Kesavan, please come into this debate and please be neutral tonight, Mr. Kesavan, on this subject. Be neutral, Mr. Kesavan.
Let me speak uninterrupted.
Mr. Kesavan.
I don't want to shout, please. This is not fair. I have not spoken yet. Kindly, I request the other panelists not to intervene. The first thing, Arnab, is why has the speech of the Honorable Vice President become so political? This is a pattern. You know, they talked about constitutional propriety and, you know, the Vice President's post being beyond politics. What did the, sectarian forces do when he didn't salute in the Republic Day? They called him unpatriotic, though it was not part of protocol. What did the General Secretary of the BJP, Mr. Ram Madhav say when he said, he tweeted saying the Vice President didn't participate in Yoga Day. Then he retweeted saying, oh, I'm sorry, he was sick. The Vice President's office said, no, he was not sick, he was not called. This is again a systemized attempt by the sectarian forces to ensure that, the Vice President's office is diminished, diluted and politicized. As we talk today, you talk about reservations and, as we talk, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, you said. As you talk today, the RSS is meeting the BJP to review the government's performance. Why doesn't the BJP answer what the RSS chief said in February? He said, Ek Bhasha, Ek Devta, Ek Sampraday banana hoga. One language, one God and one religion. This is what the RSS said. And today, you have the BJP sitting here taking advice from them. Is this what they stand for? It is very clear. There is no Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas here. After this government took over, the Prime Minister, we
by 2030.
BJP
We are not against the reservation to Marathas, but we want reservation.
What reservation?
Child become an IPS officer. Every parent wants his child to be an IAS officer. So why this discrimination?
Waris Pathan, 1 minute. Waris Pathan
and see, as you said, there is a reservation.
Mr. Kesavan, stop. Okay, I'm closing the debate. 1 minute. You'll have to give me time. 1 second. My question tonight, Mr. Kesavan, you've gone into speech mode.
5 months of 2015,
Mr. Kesavan, you're making a speech.
You have the likes of Sakshi Maharaj, you have Yogi Adityanath,
Mr. Kesavan, you are making a speech. आप स्पीच दे रहे हैं केशवन जी. केशवन जी आप स्पीच दे रहे हैं, मेरी बात सुनिए. Listen to me. Mr. Kesavan. Mr. Kesavan, listen to me.
Kesavan doesn't know ABC of RSS. You don't know ABC of RSS. Don't give a lecture on RSS. Do you know what Mohan Bhagwat ji said? Mohan Bhagwat ji said, our goddess is Bharat Mata. Our religion is a nationalism. That was the main for Mohan Bhagwat ji. Kindly understand what nationalism means. Kesavan, kindly read a book on a nationalism. Don't give a lecture on nationalism. You don't know anything. Go and plead for a Muslim reservation. You are the people who divide the country. You are playing the division politics. You are playing division politics. Don't misquote Mohan Bhagwat ji. You are misquoting Mohan Bhagwat ji. You don't have authority to speak about Mohan Bhagwat ji.
Right from this government, when it has taken office, on one side you have the BJP and the Prime Minister saying, talk about communal moratorium, and on the
other one side, Mohan Bhagwat. Do you know what Mohan Bhagwat ji said? Why did you misquote Mohan Bhagwat ji?
Policy and you stand exposed.
You don't know ABC of Indian politics. You don't know ABC of RSS. You are quoting RSS chief.
There is no Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Everybody knows it's a jumla.
Have you read the Constituent Assembly debate? My request to Waris Pathan and Kesavan to read the Constituent Assembly debate. In Constituent Assembly debate, it was categorically that there is no minority, there is no majority. I am quoting Badamul Hussain. I am quoting a Muslim leader.
Can you stop for a minute? Can you stop for a minute? Okay, stop please. 1 second. Please take a deep breath. रुक जाइए.
You have institutionalized the term.
रुक जाइए 1 minute. Stop for a minute. Stop for a minute. 1 minute के लिए मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूँ.
You are trying to communalize India.
अच्छा 1 मिनट. Now एक बात सुनिए राकेश सिन्हा जी, आप भी ज्यादा ही उत्तेजित हो रहे हैं. मेरी बात सुनिए. अच्छा आप.
You shout the truth can't be submerged.
अच्छा Mr. Kesavan, now stop please. Mr. Kesavan, आप तो non-stop speech दे रहे हैं. Mr. Kesavan, listen to me please. 1 second. By the way, just stop for a minute. Just stop for a minute.
Doesn't know ABC.
अच्छा राकेश सिन्हा, now you stop. Now you stop, Mr. Sinha. You stop, Mr. Sinha. आप रुक जाइए. Just stop for a minute. I'm going to make you stop first. No, we are not going to take the debate forward if you continue like this. Can I make a request, please, gentlemen? You hear each other. No, Sudhanshu Trivedi, आ रहा हूँ आपके पास. एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ.
I listen to them.
No, 1 second. I want yes or no answers. Do I have a right? I'm asking yes or no answers. Mr. Pathan, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Mr. Pathan, yes or no? Do you support Muslim reservations? Muslim quota, yes or no?
I support reservation on the basis, not on the religion, but on the socio and economic education backwardness which is given by all the committees. The report is
so you believe that on the basis of the Sachar committee recommendations, you believe on the basis of Sachar committee recommendations,
you give reservation to the Marathas. Why you give the? I am not opposing that. I am not against the reservation, but I am asking the reservation on basis so that the Muslim women can compete.
Okay.
Every parent wants their son to become an IAS officer.
Now instead of let me see if the Congress.
Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution which says equality before law.
Sir, 1 minute.
Now, while we are going against that articles which the Constitution
now please.
You are going against that, Mr. Arnab. There is empirical data. Now when the VP.
Will you stop about empirical data, please? Waris Pathan, I asked you a small question. No, I am asking that question now.
Will you stop? Introduce nobody to objection.
The same question of Muslim partners in 1870,
my question is
in 1940, in 2010, the same question would be raised 20 years ago.
Mr. Rajendra Prasad has said that Hindu should be introduced.
First be the part of
Mr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the vice president, has made a statement that the
don't adopt the constitution on selective basis.
Why no objection was taken?
Don't follow secularism on selective basis. You are following.
You're not listening to it. रुक जाए. You can't speak over each other. आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर मत बोलो, please.
You have
रुक जाइए 2 मिनट.
Pakistan's debate. You have not gone through India's Constituent Assembly debate.
You
have read the Pakistan Constituent Assembly debate.
I have a right to make my statement.
What
I am making a statement on the national channel.
What Tadamul Hussain said.
I am a proud Indian. I am a proud Muslim.
In the
I am not
okay.
I know the RSS ideology. You have come to make this Hindu Rashtra.
What RSS ideology? You know
tell me.
Two nation theory.
You are trying to divert the mind of the people.
You are the hires of the Jinnah. I will not allow the Jinnah to exist on this.
You listen to each other, please.
15 months.
You are
listen to each other, gentlemen.
Of the public.
Listen to each other, gentlemen. Listen to each other. Listen to each other. Waris Pathan, stop.
What is love jihad?
Waris Pathan, stop. Waris Pathan, ruk jaye. Rakesh Sinha, I am asking C.R. Kesavan. C.R. Kesavan. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. C.R. Kesavan. My question to you is, and keep it short. Keep it short. Keep it short. I'm asking simple question, short answer. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, 1 minute. 1 minute. Be patient. Be patient. C.R. Kesavan, do you support expanding quotas on religious lines? Do you support Muslim quota? Do you support a Muslim quota? Don't avoid the question. If you avoid, everybody is going to watch you. Do you support or are you against?
He will support.
I am asking C.R. Kesavan, not you, Mr. Sinha.
He will support.
Look at how you interject.
Okay, Mr. Kesavan has a right to speak. Mr. Kesavan has a right to speak.
Why are they so insecure? Why are you getting exposed on national TV? Why are you so insecure? The question was posed to me. Why can't you wait your turn?
Mr. Sinha, wait.
Supporting everything, anything which is divisive, which divides the country.
Nobody.
You are intolerant. You don't know Mohan Bhagwat. You are misquoting a national hero. He's a national hero. He's a statesman. You are misquoting him. You have to apologize for misquoting Mohan Bhagwat. You have to apologize. Times now has the largest viewers and you have to apologize.
Before this country.
Okay, do you support Muslim quotas? That was the question. Sudhanshu Trivedi will respond.
Have you gone through the Constitution?
Okay, Rakesh Sinha, ho gaya. Sudhanshu Trivedi, one second. I want to know the position of India's political parties on whether there should be Muslim quotas. My question being repeated to C.R. Kesavan. There should be Muslim quotas.
Muslim quota, why not? 50% subcaste of the Muslims have been given the quota, not Muslims. Now, the High Court says you give reservation, give quota. The government is not inclined to.
Sudhanshu Trivedi,
Muslim wave is going on in the country. People feel that anti-Muslim wave going on.
What do you mean by anti-Muslim wave?
Every day you are changing the name of the road. You are changing the name of the city.
Name of what road?
This is not anti-Muslim.
What? Which road? Which road? I'm sorry, Mr. Pathan. Which road?
Aurangzeb had killed Dara Shikoh.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
You want a road to be named after a killer? Aurangzeb was a killer.
What about Babri Masjid demolition? People who are involved in the Babri Masjid demolition. Are they not criminals? Are they not
we
killers?
should celebrate Aurangzeb.
What happens?
This was the fault of the Indian nation to name or a road or a name.
People.
There should be road renamed in the name
Stop
of
it, please. Sudhanshu, the discussion is not that this
not involved with the Gujarat.
No, 1 minute. Sudhanshu Trivedi is
also call him killer.
Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding.
Those who are involved with the
रुक जाए इस वक्त प्लीज सुधांशु सुनिए उनकी बात सुनिए
that is a skewed perspective because if they think from that point of view when their prime minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has said that the Muslims should have first right over the national resources of India, obviously when we oppose you will see us as criminal. When you will say there should be a Muslim head count in the Indian army and we oppose, then you will say that we are communal. When you will say that the poor people should get the bank loan, that too the Muslims should first get, and we will oppose, then you will say we are communal. When you will try to say that there should be a communal line on the terrorism issue and we oppose, then you are saying we are communal. And finally, when the Supreme Court is giving some judgment, and still you are saying this.
Two other speakers coming in.
I want to say, no, everybody has the right.
Taslim Ahmad Rahmani, please. Taslim Rahmani.
Who said that the all terrorists are Muslims?
2 minutes हुआ है. वारिस पठान जी रुकिए. 1 second. Okay, one at a time. Only Mr. Rahmani. Only Mr. Rahmani, please. Only Mr. Rahmani now. No, 1 minute. So Rahmani ji.
I have 2 points to state.
Rahmani ji.
2 points to state.
कि अंग्रेजों ने हमको बांटा,
I have 2 points to state. Number one, Honorable Vice President of India did not advocate it for any reservation. He talked about an instrument, a legal instrument, and that instrument he pointed out that there should be an equal opportunity commission. There are parliamentary legislations pending to instill confidence among us the Muslims, which are not being passed. He was not talking about reservation. He was talking about these legal things. Number one. Number two, as far as the reservation is concerned, our constitution, the Constitution of India, it has prescribed it. Religious line. See the article.
Okay, gentlemen.
Government of India.
Okay, gentlemen, I'll take the debate forward, but Sudhanshu Trivedi.
That legislation was a backdoor quota.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Please go through that legislation.
Okay, now, gentlemen,
for the Muslims.
Acha, Mr. Rahmani, you know, there are many ways in which you can improve the circumstances of people in this country.
अर्नब, मैं एक बात और कहना चाहूँगा।
नहीं, एक मिनट सुनिए। अच्छा, okay, I'm extending by 1 minute. वारिस पठान, उनकी बात तो सुनिए, please.
कि आप अननेसेसरी अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय को ऐसे प्रतीकों से जोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, कभी औरंगजेब से जोड़ते हैं, कभी याकूब मेनन से जोड़ते हैं, कभी इशरत जहां से जोड़ते हैं, और इन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में से किसी ने भी 2007 में डॉक्टर अबुल कलाम के राष्ट्रपति की उम्मीदवारी का समर्थन नहीं किया था। ये इनका असली चेहरा।
Kesavan, last word. You want to respond to that?
Very simple. After the BJP government has taken power, in the Home Ministry report has said in the first 5 months of 2015, communal incidents have increased by 25%. It's their Home Ministry's report. Why? When the Prime Minister says from the ramparts of the Red Fort you should have communal moratorium, why has the communal violence increased? Because it's a Jekyll and Hyde play of the BJP. While the Prime Minister talks about development, you have the BJP and the RSS, going about the country and dividing
Mr. C.R. Keswan, your Home Ministry was the first time in the entire history of India. Your Home Ministry has issued the name of the victims on the basis of religion. This shameful act was done.
I thank you, gentlemen.
For the first time in the history.
I thank you, gentlemen, for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. I thank you all.